Hey guys, Mind of Tech here. Today I wanted to do a quick review of the Cooler Master Pro S keyboard. This is an RGB keyboard with 16.7 million colors. It has anti-ghosting feature, which according to the Cooler Master site has the N key and the 6 key rollover combined, which means that the keyboard will detect each key pressed no matter how many keys you press down. This model has a new processor which is about 25% faster. The keyboard comes with brown switches, and then Cooler Master also has blue switches and red switches available. This model goes for around $140 US. One thing that I didn't like is that the cable to the back of the keyboard, it's being pointed to the left. It would be nice if they made it pointing straight out of the keyboard. You can download a software called Master Keys Pro S for this keyboard from Cooler Master's website, with which you will be able to control the RGB lighting. Here you see we have 4 profiles which you can configure and use. Right here you have your lighting, select what color you want, and then set it. You select this one or this one or this one, it doesn't matter, and apply it, and your keyboard will be that color. Right here we have the LED mode, with which there are 13 modes excluding the off mode, and an off mode there. And then I can go through some of these real quick, I guess. The static mode, you select, let's enable that. Static mode, you select a color, one single color, and apply it. So now the keyboard will be green if we apply it. Let's take a look. Oh, customize is pretty cool. It lets you customize each key individually. So let's see, select a color here. We'll take this green, we'll apply it to this P key, and now it's green. Let's take a look at a couple others. Let's see. Well, there's color cycle. Color cycle just cycles through all the colors there is. You can go from left to right, right to left. Actually, no, not with this one, sorry. Yeah, it just cycles colors. Here, let me go back here and add a couple more customizable keys. Actually, yeah, no, never mind. Let's just go something else. Raindrop, just drops of rain. Let's set it to green, and then we'll have green raindrops, which I'll show you guys later in the video how it looks like. Let's take a look at let's see. Oh, system status. This is pretty cool. If you have the equalizer set, it'll pick up any sound from your, or see how I can do colors. So it'll pick up any sound from your computer, and it'll randomly play keys with different colors. CPU loads, just how much CPU load you have. Like the minimum is at the very bottom. The more load you have, the higher it'll go. So once you have everything set, you can select the profile, apply it to the profile, and if you want to set your second, third, and fourth profiles up right away, that'd be cool. You can switch profiles later, actually, on the keyboard with function key and 1 through 4, which are profile keys. So here I'll show you how the profile keys work. So you press the function key, press 1, which I have just a static yellow color. Function again, and press 2, which is the customizable ones, any color. Function 3 should be the raindrops. Yep, there we go. Here's the raindrops. They're just going down. And the 4th one should be color cycle. So orange, and then it's going to yellow, and then it's going to go to green or whatever. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, whatever. And thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.